Hello and welcome to another update video about DOT. Polkadot reached the target yesterday. I think we had yesterday in my last update, a price was just hovering above the $3.94 level. Anyway, you will remember from previous videos that this is the broader target range, okay? But we specified it further and said that there are three main levels to watch in this target range. Ideally, the price doesn't go below these. But if it does, then we have $3.46 as last main support. Below that, we would have to reinterpret the chart towards something more bearish. But basically, what it suggests is that somewhere in here, ideally, this is the next chance where the price can complete the bear market, and maybe it's just one more low it needs. Now, again, these can always extend further. We need to be watching for a first impulse after we have completed the wave count, yeah. Or, I mean, if an impulse shows earlier, then yeah, that's fine. But we need still a first impulse or above 5 waves, or first impulse above resistance to indicate that something more bullish is going on. At the moment, nothing changed. So we have reached the target, the first one at $3.94. The price shows a bit of a, more substantial relief rally, but nothing really that you would call a rally, really. It's more like a small retracement in what I believe is currently a wave 4. So we have 3 waves down, and we're obviously in a C wave. Remember, we talked about this corrective structure. We are within this larger diagonal. A wave 4 was completed on the 14th of July. We're now moving down in a 5th wave. The 5th wave is an ABC structure, WXY structure. And within the Y wave, we have an ABC. So we could be in this C wave now. The C wave is a 5-wave move, and we completed waves 1, 2, 3, and we could now be in the wave 4. Resistance for the wave 4 is between $4 and $5, and then we have one at actually $4.09 and $4.14. I normally wouldn't allow the 61.8 retracement in a wave 4, but in this case, because of the choppy decline, and because we are in a C wave, and because I think wave 1 might have been a 3-wave move, I consider that this is actually a diagonal. In a diagonal, we can certainly allow the wave 4 to retrace to the golden ratio, if it has to the 61.8 retracement level, which is at $4.14 in this case. Yeah, so again, a wick above it doesn't invalidate this count, but I don't want to see in this wave count a sustained break above that level. Only with a sustained break above $4.14, we may have to reinterpret the chart. Yeah, what could it be? I mean, it's going to be tricky because there's only 3 waves down, really. I mean, one possibility might be that indeed that all of this needs to be reinterpreted. We have 3 waves down, which is okay in a Y wave. But best I could tell then is if that this is morphing into some kind of a strange WXY XZ pattern, which will give us a more complex corrective pattern. So 3 waves up and then another 3 waves down, but it wouldn't necessarily change the overall assumption. It would just delay this last sell-off. So again, I always, I don't want to say hope, but I'm a fan of more direct price movements. Now, that it doesn't always go that way. Sometimes we just see these, more extended corrections. But basically what we use the resistance area for is above $4.14. It will tell us that something different is going on. In the current wave count, I think one more low in wave 5, which again would be a 3-wave move, ABC most likely in this wave count, yeah. So one more low in a wave 5 would be, expected, you could say, at the moment, especially as long as the $4.14 level isn't broken to the upside. Only then I have to reinterpret and potentially change here the wave count. So at the moment, everything going according to plan. Initial reaction to support, which is normally what we want to see. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.